Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekaleva. Today we are going to do the problems in exercise 4 from the chapter decimals. In this exercise you are going to learn to compare the decimal numbers and to write the decimal numbers in ascending order and descending order. The first question, we are going to compare the given decimal numbers. Listen, the first one 0.17 and 0.27. While comparing the decimal numbers, first we have to check the whole number part. If the whole number part is same in two decimal numbers, then we have to check the first decimal place. Here the whole number part 0, so we have to compare the first decimal place. Here 1 is there, here 2 is there. Which is greater? 2 is greater. So the decimal 0.27 is greater. See the next one 0.8, 0.7. Here also the whole number part is 0. So we are going to compare the first decimal place. Here 8, 7. So 8 is greater. So 0.8 is greater decimal. The next one, in the given two decimal numbers, the whole number part is 0. So we have to check the first decimal place. In the first decimal place 5, 5, same number. So we have to check the second decimal place. Here 4, 1. Here 4 is greater, so 0.54 is the greater decimal. Then see the next one, the whole number part 5, 5, same number. So we have to compare the first decimal place 5, 0. 5 is greater, so 5.555 is the greater decimal. Here 550, 14.55. Here we are having 0 at the last. Here there is no value for this 0. So the value of the decimal is 14.55. Here also the same decimal number 14.55, 14.55. So these two decimals are equal. 1.001, 0.999. First we have to check the whole number part. Here 1, 0. So we can say that 1.001 is the greater decimal. While comparing the decimal numbers, first we have to check the whole number part. If the whole number parts are same, then we have to check the first decimal place, second decimal place, like that. Is it clear? The next one, arrange in descending order. Descending order means we are going to arrange the given decimals from greater to smaller. What is the first step? We have to check the whole number part in the given decimals. 4, 5, 4, 5. So 5 is greater, but in two decimal numbers 5 is there. So in these two decimal numbers alone we are going to check the first decimal place. Here 5, 0. So this is the greater number. Then 5.065. In the remaining two decimal numbers the whole number part is 4. Here we are going to check the first decimal place 5, 0. So 5 is greater, this is the third greater number, and 4.056 is the smaller number. Now we are going to arrange the numbers in descending order. So the greatest number is 5.56 and second number is 5.065 and 4.56 and 4.056 is the smallest number. So this is the descending order for the given decimal numbers. See the second question 2.2, 2.02, 2.022, 2.002. Here in all the decimal numbers the whole number part is 2. So we are going to compare the first decimal place 2, 0, 0, 0. So 2 is greater number. So this is the greatest number. In the remaining three decimal numbers the first decimal place is 0. From this we are going to find out the second decimal greater decimal. For that we have to check the second decimal place. Here 0 is smaller, 2 is greater, but in the both 2 we are having 2 in the second place. So we are going to check the third. Here there is no number. What is the meaning of that? 0 is there. Here 0, here 2. Which is greater? 2 is greater. So 2.022 is the second greatest number. Then third one 0.202. Then this is the smallest number. Now we are going to arrange the decimal numbers in descending order. So 2.2 is the greater and 2.022 and 2.02 and 2.002 is the smallest. So this is the descending order for the given decimal numbers. Then the next one, 13.19, 19.13, 39.11, 93.16. While comparing the whole number, we can identify the greatest number. So 93 is the greatest number. So first number is 93.11. Then second one is 39.11 and 19.13 and 13.19. While comparing the whole number part, we got the descending order. The next one, 1, 1.1, 1.01, 1.001. Here 1 is the whole number, there is no decimal part. The meaning of that, the decimal part is 0. Now in all the decimal numbers, the whole number part is 1. So we have to check the first decimal place. Here 0, 1, 0, 0. Here 1 is the greatest number. In the remaining, we are going to check the second decimal place. Here 1 is there. So this is the second one. Here also 0. Then we are going to compare the third one. Here 1 is there. So this is the third one. And 1 is the smallest number. So I am going to arrange the numbers in descending order. So 1.1 is the greater number and 1.01 and 1.001 and 1 is the smallest number. This is the descending order for the given decimal numbers. Next we are going to arrange the decimal numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to greater. We are going to find out the smaller one. First we have to compare the whole number part. 5, 5, 4, 5. So 4 is the smaller one. 4.056. Then from the remaining 3 numbers we are going to check which is smaller. Here 3, here the whole decimal part is 0. Here also the first decimal place is 0. So from these two we are going to find the smaller one. To check, we are going to check the second decimal place. Here the second decimal place is also 0. So 5 is the smallest number. Then 5.065 and 5.3 is the greater number. This is the ascending order for the given decimal numbers. Then next one, 12.12, 12.121, 12.212, 12.21. In all the decimal numbers, the whole number part is 12. So we are going to compare the first decimal place. 1, 1, 2, 2. So 1 is the smaller number. In 2 decimal numbers we are having 1. So we have to check the second decimal place. Here the second decimal place 2, same number. So we are going to check the third decimal place. Here 0, here 1. So 0 is the smallest one. Then this is the second smaller. Then from these two we are going to check the third smaller. Here 1, 1. Then we have to compare the third. Here 2, here 0. So this is the third smaller number and this is the greatest number. Now we are going to arrange in ascending order. 12.12 is the smaller, then 12.121, then 12.21, then 12.212 is the greater. Is it clear? The next one, here also we are going to arrange in ascending order. So first we have to compare the whole number part. 6, 6, 4, 3. So 3 is the smallest one. Then 4. Here we are having 2. In 2 decimal number 6 is there. So we have to compare the first decimal place. 1, 2. So this is the third one. 6.2 is the greatest one. Let us write in ascending order. The first one is 3.456 and 4.326. Then 6.123 and the last greater number is 6.234. Is it clear? The next one 5.152, 5.23, 5.02, 5.2. In all the decimal numbers, the whole number part is 5. So we are going to compare the first decimal place 1, 2, 0, 2. Here 0 is the smaller. Then 1 is the second smaller. Then in the remaining two numbers, we are having 2 in the first decimal place. So we have to compare the second decimal place. Here 3, here 0. So this is the third one, and 5.23 is the greater number. Let us arrange the numbers in ascending order. The first one is 5.02 and 5.152 and 5.2, then 5.23 is the greater. So this is the ascending order for the given decimal numbers. Then word problem. Minal has rupees 43.25 in her packet and Izan has rupees 43.75. Who has more money? Minal has rupees 43.25. Ishan has rupees 43.75. Now we are going to find out who has more money. For that we have to compare these two. Minal has rupees 43.25. Minal. And Ishan has rupees 43.75. Now we have to find out the greater one. The whole number part 43, same number. So we have to check the first decimal place here to 7. So 43.75 is the greater number. So Ishan has more money. Is it clear, children? The next question. During the day, Lata drinks 0.65 liter milk and Aisha drinks 0.7 liter milk. Who drinks more milk? Here also we are going to compare. So Lata drinks how much? 0.65 liter and Aisha drinks 0.7 liter. Here the whole number part is 0. So we have to compare the first decimal place. Here 6, 7. So 0.7 is greater. So Aisha drinks more milk. Is it clear, children? The next one. Arrange the children in ascending order of their weights. Here 4 children's weight is given. According to the given weights, we are going to arrange the children in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to greater. So we have to find out the smaller one first. First step, we have to compare the whole number part. 28, 31, 32, 32. So 28 is the smaller. 28.76 kilogram. Then 31 is the next smaller, 31.05 kilogram. In the remaining two decimal numbers, 32 is a whole number part, same. So we are going to compare the first decimal place. Here 6, here 3. So 3 is smaller. So 32.36 kilogram and 32.63 kilogram. Now we are going to arrange the children. So to 28.76, that is Nina. Okay, then 31.05, that is weight of Alka. Then 32.36, that is Asif. And 32.63, that is Prem. Okay, we have arranged the given children in ascending order according to their weights. Okay, then arrange the children in descending order of the distance they live from the school. So Pintu lives 0.5 kilometer distance, Seema 4.95 kilometer, Sindhu 9.59 kilometer, Maninder 6.86. Descending order means we have to arrange the numbers from greater to smaller. So the first step we have to check the whole number part. 5, 4, 9, 6. By comparing the whole number part, we can say that 9.59 kilometer is the greater. So descending order 9.59 kilometer is the greatest one. Then 6.86. Then 5.05. And 4.95 is the smallest. Now we are going to write the children name in descending order. So who is in the distance 9.59? Sindhu. Then 6.86 Maninder. And 5.05 Pintu. And 4.95 Seema. Now we have arranged the given children's name in descending order according to the distance from the school. Was it clear, children? To compare or to arrange the numbers, first we have to check the whole number part. After that, first decimal place, then second decimal place, like that we have to compare the decimal numbers. Was it clear, children? Okay, to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.